In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to skip the Minecraft tutorial on your Xbox 360. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you first log into Minecraft on your Xbox 360 and you create a new world, you might be dropped into the Minecraft tutorial world. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and you will be getting messages at the top right corner of the screen giving you instructions on what to do or just telling you about the latest updates and items that have been added to Minecraft. After you finish this tutorial is when you can actually start the game freely on your own. However, is there a way to skip this? All you have to do to skip this tutorial is, after you join a world and you started this tutorial, you should see this message. New features have been added to the game in the latest version, including new areas in the tutorial world. Alongside the usual play through the tutorial as normal option, you have the option to skip the tutorial by pressing the button presented below. As you can see on this image, you just have to press B and you will skip the tutorial and be able to play right away after you skip it. I hope I was able to help you on how to skip the Minecraft tutorial on your Xbox 360. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.